What's up, ladies? So today I'm going to try to build a chicken tractor so that we can move them out to the front yard a couple of times a week and let them graze on the front yard because we don't want them pooping all over the backyard. So I'm trying to use as much scrap wood as I can, and this is the concept that I came up with, which is basically just a square box. It's like 6 or 7 feet, I think, by 4 feet. So that'll give them plenty of grassing, grazing area. And then I'm putting 2 nesting boxes since all 6 of the birds are laying eggs. So I'm going to put 2 nesting boxes in here. They're about a foot by foot by foot and a half or something like that. And then they'll be able to get some shade, and also they can graze underneath the box as well. So it just kind of maximizes the whole as much as they can get. All right, a little chicken egg hatch. Give me those eggs, sweetie. Thank you. Yes, they're here, huh?
You have to put it away.
So we finished up our chicken tractor. All right, here comes Mellow Yellow. Not so mellow.
Oh, she's a meanie.
She's a meanie, yeah. I ran out of hinges, so we had to just use latches. That's fine. And then this is just a weed barrier cloth that we dug up in the yard when we first moved in. They had a bunch of it in a pile, so we just scooped it up, and it's 4 feet wide. So we put it on the roof as a cover. All right, chickies, you guys behave out here for a little while and we'll see how you do. And then we'll post other videos in the future of different locations and then the effect it has on the grass.